At Garlock, we solve market problems by converting polymers into value-added products. And some of the segments we're seeing tremendous growth in is semiconductor, lithium conversion, and wireless communications. And in each of these areas, we work directly with designers and engineers. We use our deep knowledge of material science and polymer conversion to solve critical process technologies.
One thing that I think I would have to say that I heard a lot of, terahertz. It's going faster and faster. The frequencies are getting higher and higher. WavePro is really placed well.
What a great wrap up for the European Microwave Week here in Berlin. Saw some fantastic new technologies. Radar is making a big difference in the automotive, in body scanning, everywhere you see what new technologies, and WavePro is set perfectly to support it. Looking forward to the oncoming year. Let's see what happens.